So first I start by braiding my client's hair down, of course. Then I apply a HD ball cap and I cut out the ear tabs a little like offset behind the ear so it won't irritate the client's ear. And I have her hold it on both sides. And then I apply some black even spray to the hairline and I blow dry that in. After that, I cut the cap off and apply some foundation to match her skin tone.
So you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace.
This wig was purchased from either Amazon or AliExpress. I'm gonna have it linked down below, but I colored it. It was a 613 frontal wig and I colored it with Sunrise Orange by Adore and I think Ginger by Kiss Temptation. I did like the watercolor method for like the mid shafts to the ends, and then for the roots I just painted it on. So I went in with like 4 to 5 layers of the boho active and I lay her lace down and comb it in, and then I hot comb it, and then I go in with a little warm air and a little cool air to cure it, and then I go and I cut the lace off. Like I start with the ear tabs and then I use my eyebrow razor to do like a little jagged cut for the hairline, and I go in and fix any little imperfections.
Keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace.
For baby hairs, I like to take my pencil flat iron and curl under like a real tight curl, and then I cut it, and before I lay it down I take a little bit of my spray and just mist the baby hair and mold it first, and then I go in with like some Eben or something and really set the baby hairs into place. When you're molding this top baby hair, be sure that you are like drying it as you go so it won't mess up what you're doing or what you've done. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure that you are curing it while you go. And my client wanted a side part straight, so we did her baby hairs and applied some serum and flat iron her bone straight.
After all the shit I did, look how they repay me back. Now following my rip. Tell me what type of payment